Preparing your metal frame for hanging is simple and easy. Begin by positioning your hanging loop about 1/3 of the way down the frame. Tighten the hardware so it doesn't move by using a screwdriver. Repeat on the other side. Attach the last section and tighten the screws. Proceed to repeat this step on the other side of the frame. Next, cut a piece of wire so that it is longer than the length of your frame. Cut the wire using wire cutters. Thread the wire through the loop and twist it. Pull the other end of the wire through the other hanging loop and wrap it around itself so it is secure. Make sure both ends are wrapped tightly so you can continue to enjoy your framed artwork on the wall for years to come.